With so many ports on an ESC, do you really know how they work? Let's break them all down in 1 minute. First up are the power input terminals, usually marked with positive, plus, and negative poles. They connect to the battery to supply power to the power system. Always double-check the polarity when wiring, never reverse the connection. Then we have the 3-phase output ports to connect with the brushless motor and typically labeled U, V, and W. They convert the battery's direct current DC into 3-phase alternating current to drive the motor. Next is the signal port, which receives throttle signals from FC, receiver, or other control units. In short, how fast you want the motor to rotate is mainly determined by adjusting this setting. Some high-performance ESCs are also equipped with communication ports such as CAN, UART, or telemetry. These ports allow you to read real-time operating data including current, voltage, temperature, and RPM, and enable data exchange with FC or ESC tool.